Ayan guys. May pinahimong Marian guys. Loag. Loag. Ilang pagmamanan ang mga kalingawan nila ang pahimo siya. Nubo na? Nubo na, taas pa. Basa. Tayo na videohan ka na may decoration. Tuod gas kandila, no? Dok. Tuod gas kandal.
Asa man?
Kandal.
Asa man?
Ito ah.
Ay.
Ay, taas pa man ah. Taas pa.
Sa'yo mama, hindi lang mo mga pamilya ano kay. Gabana mo sa kaya ano. Ito ba dito? Basta ba atleta?
Ha?
Ito no, sasamang ka sa treasures ka?
Karon?
Oo.
Wa ko na aking pamilian ra.
Wala. Ay, ba ako ka na ano sa treasures?
To the hope we affirm, for God can be trusted to keep His promise. So mo ni ang pinaka-nindot nga paglaom. Kung ang Ginoo mo ay musaad, kung ang Ginoo mo ay promise, mapakyas pa. So dili gyud mapakyas ang saad sa Ginoo. So bisan sa atong mga kinabuhi karon, na ay uban nga moingon musaad ko, mo promise ko nimo. Early before the sun is up, I cry out for help and put my hope in your words. Ug sa Romans 15:4, 15:4, such things were written in the scriptures long ago to teach, and the scriptures give us hope and encouragement as we wait patiently for God's promises to be fulfilled. No, mga patan-on kita mga katawan sa Ginoo. So ang atong paglaom na sa atong buhi nga Dios. So atong ligonon ang atong paglaom pinaagi sa iyang mga pulong, no? Kung inyong i-reflect sa usa ka adlaw. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jello.
Alright, thank you so much, Rev. So once again, good evening everyone. Now we would like to request all of our guests and of course our visitors to please be here at our venue so that we can immediately start with our program. So once again, we would like to request all our guests and visitors, family, friends, classmates of our debutant to please be here in our venue so that we can start with our program.
Province of North Cotabato, Island of Mindanao, Philippines! The lights are on and the families of our debutant are already here and her Ayan, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palapakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Ayan, this is my first time in Bohol Province. Okay, malayo po ang aking pinanggaligan. I reserve my energy for this party and I hope you will provide me the same energy as mine. Okay? Hala, kurang wala man sila kapanihapon. Uy, unsang may sundan nyo ganiya ha? Are you ready? Very good. Are you set? Us who come from farthest of Bohol, farthest place of Bohol, we have from Cebu province, no? We have from India, we have from Russia, we have visitors of course from Thailand, sawadee ka, okay kapon ka, and we have also visitors from Japan. Okay sir, welcome to Bohol. Kusing daw Lu. Lugaw singko. Thank you very much. Let us welcome Sir Rich Neal for the welcome remarks. A round of applause, please.
Alam, nakoy energy, gikan pa Bebek North Cotabato. Good evening, everyone! Alright, so once again, isang maganda at malamig na gabi para sa ating lahat. So, on behalf of the family of our debutant, allow me to extend our warmest and of course, a very joyful greetings and welcome to each and every one of us who are here present tonight to celebrate the 18th birthday celebration of our lovely debutant, Nicole. So we are gathered tonight because of a very and a truly special night, and that is the 18th birthday of Nicole. Just like a butterfly, from a cocoon, which undergo the process of metamorphosis. Now later this night, we will also witness how this fine child will turn into a beautiful lady. Now, so tonight, we honor not just another year of life, but of course, a beautiful transition. Now, as the saying goes by, birthdays are the universe's way to celebrate you. Na palagi na naman tayo celebrate during our birthdays. Now, this is a very special moment. And tonight, the universe celebrates her strength and of course, her becoming. An 18th birthday marks a truly meaningful chapter. It is often said that a birthday is not merely the marking of time, but the celebration of life and all the blessings it brings. Tonight, we celebrate Sheila's journey, each memory that shaped her, each challenge that strengthened her, and each dream that continues to inspire her future. This evening becomes even more memorable because present tonight. Na meron tayong from North Cotabato, we have here from Cebu, who really traveled that far just to be with here tonight. Now, so of course, this presence of ours is a beautiful reminder of love and support that surround her. A family who have guided her, friends who have laughed with her, and loved ones who have helped her grow. So thank you so much everyone for making this night as radiant as our debutante. So as we begin our program, may we embrace the joy of this celebration. After all, every birthday is a gift, another chance to learn, another chance to love, and of course, another chance to shine brighter than before. So I hope that let us fill this hall with laughter, heartfelt wishes, and unforgettable moments.
Welcome remarks. Once again, let's give him a big round of applause, please. Hello. Ayan. Okay. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, let me acknowledge first the immediate family of our debutant. Please stand up, everyone. Sir Joel. Yes, Mom Ann. Okay. Ayan. The immediate family of our celebrator. Palakpakan po natin sila. Without their genuine list, okay? Takbo, punta sa akin. Kung sino yung pinakauna na makahawak ng microphone, pwede niyo na po akong maiuwi. tax free din po ako. Okay. Saang ospital ipinanganak si Shelo Nicole? Oh, okay, sandali lang. This is, may mga hindi po kasali sa segment na ito. Of course, the immediate family, the mother, the father, the tito, and the titas, because they know the answer. Alam nila ang sagot, no? Sayang din ba yung sa kalibo? Pero ako, I know the answer. Okay. Char. Saang ospital ipinanganak si Shelo? Go! Woo! Oh, yes! pinanganak? Si Cielo Nicole.
Kandihay Hospital.
Ano yon?
Kandihay.
Kandihay is... Ayan, okay. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, bago mo po harap ko dito, gang, bago mo po tanggapin ang premyong ito, may nakalimutan pala akong i-announce, no? Because this segment is surprise. That is why, sinadya ko talagang hindi sabihin that whoever, no, win this segment, 50-50 po sila ng host. Dahil may 1,000 ka, 50 sa akin, 50 sa'yo. Okay?
50 lang mo, hanin. 50 ako, ha?
Okay lang ha, 50. Wow! Congratulations! Anong masabi mo na pumunta ka lang dito, mabubusog ka, uwi ka, may premyo ka, may pira ka, hindi ka ba nahiya niyan?
May complete Cebu.
Completing ka daw sa Cebu. Okay, congratulations! Wow! Okay. Sino ang doktor na nagpaanak kay Cielo?
Yan!
Ha? Sino ang doktor na nagpaanak kay Cielo? Ha? Okay, thanks God that that is not the question. Hello, lalaki. Ang unang lalaking bayani ng Pilipinas na ibinuwis ang buhay para sa bansang ito. At ano naman ang kanyang kinalaman kay Nicole? Grabe! Gang! Tindi na ang pangangailangan mo, no? Pero kung gaano ka-wavy yung waistline mo, mayroong additional instruction. Okay. Okay, ayan. Ibinulong pa sa akin. Ang tamang sagot, baka mamali kung litok karon, may patawag ka sa ginikanan sa laki, Diyos ko Lord, uy, mapatulputa. Okay. Sino ang unang lalaking nagpaiyak? Ha? Hala, isa naman ang premyo, ma'am. Ikaw ba? Ubuso naman ni mo tanan ang premyo, oy. Isa naman ang answer. Ay, para na daw sila ikapliti, gikan din papunta sa Banuas, Alicia. Okay. Takuan na pliti din ni Day. Tagdos. Okay. Sige. Sino? Ayan. Ay, disclaimer muna tayo, ha? This is just part of a celebration. Baka seryosuhin ng lalaking yon. Okay? Okay.
Yuri.
Yuri! Yuri is... wrong! Another answer?
Si Richie Cabao.
Roy Richie Cabaho is... Correct! Pangalan 50-50 mo ato. Ha? Okay. Thank you very much. Palakpakan natin si Miss Angela ni Pakanga. Thank you very much. Dali na dito. Okay. Ayan. At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, our age, okay? I hope everybody, mayroon na pong kandila. Okay? Ayan. May I request first, yes, the mother candle to be lit by a course.
With new opportunities, joy, and blessings. Keep shining, keep dreaming, and keep being the wonderful friend that you are. Enjoy your special day and celebrate all the wonderful things ahead. Love you, Chef.
Wow, thank you so much. And now,
Grateful tayo kung nagkainataan, I'll never forget those moments that we shared, especially in our grade 10 era. What did you expect na mag-close ka kay? You look so intimidating and then you might be a snubber, but then I was wrong. You were the sweetest person I've ever met. I had always admired you for being a good person and how your mind works. And I appreciate all your advices and support whenever I'm doubting myself. You're such an amazing person, and by seeing you grow these past years, it makes me so proud. I hope this new chapter brings you happiness and fulfillment. Adulthood might be scary and won't always be easy, but I know you're ready for it. Again, happy 18th birthday, love. I love you.
We've been friends for almost 3 years, especially katong rated era na to, the 4, but no matter how much time passes, it's still the Shelo I know. Thank you for the love, the comfort, the memories, and even the quiet moment we share. Enjoy your day and wishing you all the best as you start this new chapter. May this new chapter bring you confidence, wisdom, and countless reasons to smile. Keep believing in yourself and chasing your dreams because the world has so much in store for you. I just want to remind you how loved and appreciated you are. You deserve nothing but all the love, laughter, and happiness in the world, not just today but always. And I'm always here for you, and I know I'll got you the next year. Again, happy birthday to you, my girl. I love you.
Wow, thank you so much.
Close to you, kay what you could expect ng maka-amigo ta, maka-classmate ta, kay na-intimidate yung kung mo pa-transfer pa grade 10. Then I just want to say, you are very beautiful, not just outside, but also inside. And your character, your kindness, and your pure heart, that's what really makes me admire you as a person. And you deserve every bit of love and guidance in this world, Chef. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this special day. Let go of any negative thoughts. Please treat yourself well. Chef, I love you too much and I hope someday the stars will align and grant every wish you make. Keep soaring high, beautiful soul. I love you again. Happy birthday, Chelo.
Hi, happy birthday. Thank you so much. You're so sweet.
I'm really thankful because along the way, you became someone I can run to. Someone I can talk without hesitation. Someone who listens, understands, and never fails to make things lighter. I adore you, not just because of how you present yourself into the world, but because of who you are at your core. I like how you talk, how confident you are, and how kind you are to me. I love how you carry yourself, how your confidence shines in a way that inspires the people around you, especially me. I appreciate it tonight as you step into a new chapter of your life. I hope you continue to embrace everything that makes you you. I hope you chase every dream that lights your heart, and I hope you never forget how many people believe in you, including me. I'll always be here supporting you and appreciating you more than words can say. I wish nothing but beauty, joy, and fulfillment in the years to come. May your dreams unfold steadily along your journey. May you be surrounded by people who support you, just as we do. Again, happy birthday, Ate Shi. Stay confident, kind, happy, and contented. Enjoy your day.
Adulthood, may you behold, embrace your journey, to enjoy and experience a year full of happiness, love, and embrace, and success. Treat yourself well. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Okay, sino ba nakakilala kay Elias? Wala mo kaila? Oh, sure. Wow. O sino alam ang sayas? Anong pangalan? G.E. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. G.E. Oh, wala niya dong. Unanimously. Mr. Anthony. Ha? Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dirk! I'm sorry, may palakpak. Ay, dong! Tapos na ang distribution sa tupad, dong. Pwede na ulit. Apil ay ka. Mr. Giancarlo. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Giancarlo!
Ayan.
I'm sorry. DJ, asa na to? Ayan. Ulit. Pag gustong maalis, palakpak. Pag mananatili sa top 3, walang palakpak. Mr. Aaron, Mr. Ian, Aaron, Ian. Aaron, Ian, Fanuel. Aaron, Ian, Fanuel, Terence. Noel. Ion. Otma? No, ayan. Please, one. Huwag magalis mo yan. Okay, yan. Thank you so much. Ano mo yung